With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, which of the following plots will be obtained for a conductometric titration of a strong acid against a weak base? So in this question we have to find out the correct graph or the plot between for the conductometric titration of strong acid and weak base. So conductometric titrations are those in which the conductance is measured. Conductance is measured against the volume of the conductance, or conductivity is measured against the volume of the base. These are the conductometric titrations. Volume of base or the alkaline solution. Now we are given here a strong acid and weak base. So let's say the strong acid, that is HCl, and weak base, let's say it is ammonium hydroxide. So initially, that is before neutralization, because acid and base are present, so acid and base, they react to form salt plus water. It means this must be a neutralization reaction. So before neutralization, when the volume of base is 0 initially, so at that time the conductance is high due to the presence of highly mobile H positive ions. Conductance is high due to presence of highly mobile H positive ions, and after that the conductance start decreasing due to the addition of the base. When we add the base 6 solution in the acidic solution, then the hydroxide ion that will react with H positive ion, so it will form water. So the conductance, it starts to decreasing, and at the conductance is minimum at the equivalence point, because the concentration of highly mobile H positive ions and the hydroxide ions that of the solution is lowest at the equivalence point. At equivalence point, the conductance is minimum, and after that, after the equivalence point or the neutralization, then due to more volume of NH4OH like weak base, if we add in the solution, then that base will dissociate in little amount and it will give the hydroxide ion. So due to that hydroxide ion, the conductance will increase. After neutralization, the conductance somewhat increases due to the presence of hydroxide ion, but is almost remain constant. So it means the graph would be like that the conductance is high due to the presence of H positive ions when the volume of the base is 0, weak base is 0. After that the conductance start decreasing, and after equivalence point it becomes constant, because the weak base this is a weak base that will dissociate in very less amount if we being on adding the amount of weak base or volume of weak base, dissociate in less amount. So it will not affect the conductance. It means the conductance after that it become constant. It means the graph would be, it should be high at the zero concentration of the zero volume of the alkaline solution, and it start decreasing and then it become constant. So graph C is the plot C is the correct conductometric titration of strong acid against the weak base. So correct answer to this question will be the C option. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.